Now we're going to go over installing your site with duplicator install files. When you download one of the sites from the download page, you'll have a zip folder indicating it's the duplicator install files for the site. You want to make sure and extract that zip folder so that you have an open folder. The open folder should have your the actual site and installer.php. Those are the two files that we'll work with when installing the sites with duplicator install files. First thing we're going to do is log into your Cpanel account. Now, if you're using an add-on domain, you want to make sure and already have added that domain to your hosting account. The first thing we're going to do is go down and create a database. We're going to scroll down to MySQL Database Wizard. Now we're going to give the database a name. It's a good idea to give it a name that distinguishes it so you know what the database is for which site. Then we click Next Step. I'm going to call the user the same thing as the database name. Now we need to generate a password. You want to make sure and copy this password to a notepad file. Once you have done that, we're going to click Create User. Now we're going to copy our database, and we only need to copy this to our notepad file one time since we named the user and the database the same. We're going to check the box for all privileges and click Next Step. At this point, we're done with the database, so we can go and click Home. Now we're ready to upload the files. We're going to go to File Manager. At this point, if you're putting this on your main domain, you will see it here. If you're putting this on a subdomain or add-on domain, you'll need to choose that by clicking the little arrow down. We're going to click Go. Now, if you're putting this on your main domain, which is your public HTML, you won't have any files here. If you're putting this on an add-on domain or subdomain, you will need to select the folder for that add-on domain or subdomain. So we're going to go inside the folder or the domain so that we can upload our files. At this point, we're going to click on Upload. Next, we're going to click on Browse. Now, we're going to upload this zip file, which starts out with a number, and we're going to upload that. So we're going to click that and click Open. We're going to click Browse again, and we're going to upload the installer.php file. Now we're going to wait for these files to upload. Once the files have completed uploading, we're going to click this link to go back to our file manager. Okay, so inside our file manager, we should now have the zip file and the PHP installer file. Now you want to open up a new browser tab, and you're going to type in yourdomain.com, whatever your domain is, whatever the add-on domain is you put this site on. You're going to type in yourdomain.com/installer.php. And that's going to take you to the installer script. Now we just need to enter the database information from the database we created earlier. So you want to get that from the notepad file that you copied it to. Once you've entered the information, just simply click Test Connection, and it should say Success. Next, we're going to check the box here, and then click Run Deployment, and then click OK. And just wait for it to get done. Next, we're going to click on Run Update. Next, it's going to give us some options. And what we're going to do is click on number 2, which is Save Permalinks. It's going to open up the site in a new tab, and we'll need to log in with the login information that we provide you. Your login information will be in your downloads, or it could have been a direct download link from your download page, and it will be on a notepad file. We're going to use the provided login information to log in changes. At this point, our site is installed. Now what we want to do is click the link here to remove all of the installer files. So click the link here to remove files now. And you should see this information here letting you know that it had deleted and removed all of the installer files. At this point, we're going to start setting up the site. And we'll see you in the next video, and we'll get started doing this. In this video, you'll learn how to insert your Amazon affiliate ID using the search and replace plugin. First thing we're going to do is go to plugins and add new. If the search and replace plugin is not already installed on your site, you will need to add it to your site. If it is installed, you'll see it under your tools category or menu option here. So let's just go ahead and install search and replace. It will be in your downloads, in your download page, or in your downloads if it's not installed on the site. So we're just going to click install now after we've uploaded it. We're going to click activate. Now under tools, we're going to go and click on search and replace. On the search and replace page, we're going to scroll down and we're going to check the first 5 boxes. First 5 boxes, and then scroll down and we're going to search for your ID /20. Okay, so it's YOURID-20 and replace that with your Amazon affiliate ID for the site. Once you've done that, we're going to simply click go. Now your Amazon affiliate ID will be in all the posts and pages that have Amazon products. Thank you very much, guys, and we'll see you in the next video. We're going to go over the basic setup of your site, and we're going to start with advertising and banners. So the first thing we're going to go with is we're going to take a look at this banner here, and then your search for products here. Those two widgets are actually they use the WP Amazon plugin. So we're going to go to WP Amazon and click settings. Now on the Amazon associate settings, you want to put in your associate tag or associate affiliate ID for the correct locale. Once you've done that, make sure and click update settings. The next thing you want to do is come down and put in your access key and secret access key, and then click update settings. As I said, these are widgets, okay? So if you want to take a look at those under appearance and widgets, in your sidebar you will see this first widget here is this widget, which is the WP Amazon widget. You can take that out, change it, or whatever you like. The next one is the Amazon search widget. Which is here. Next, we're going to take a look at this banner image here. This is an Amazon contextual widget, and we're going to show you where to put in your ID for this widget, change it, or take it out completely. We're also going to talk about this area, and then we're also going to talk about banner advertising on your specific reviews, which would be this banner ad, which is in Google AdSense ad. You have one here at the top of the product review, and then you'll have another Google AdSense at the bottom. Of course, these can be switched out for Amazon ads or any other kind of banner ad if you like. So let's take a look at these ads. We'll start with this Amazon widget ad here. Under appearance, we're going to go to theme options. On theme options, we're going to go to ad management. Your header banner is this ad here. If you want to keep this here, come in here and change out this particular ID and put in your own Amazon affiliate ID. Here where it says below header right side, is talking about this area. Now you can put whatever you would like in this area. This is used for a call to action. So let's say that you have this call to action for an Amazon product. You'd want to put your Amazon affiliate link in this area between the quotes. Okay, so this would be your Amazon affiliate ID for some product that you're making the call to action for. Okay, you'd want to change this text to something, a call to action, click here to check out this product, something like that. But that's what this area is for. Below post title, this is the Google AdSense, which is here. This is on single post or product reviews. If you want to keep the Google AdSense ad and you have a Google AdSense account, you can simply come in here and put in your own publisher ID. Okay? Your publisher ID goes here. Okay, the next is below post content, and you'd want to do the same thing here if you want to keep the AdSense ad. Now again, this is a 468 by 60. You can replace these with any ad code that you'd like. And that will take care of banner ad or banner advertising on your site. We'll see you in the next video.